We know that drones have proven more effective than ever during the Russian invasion of Ukraine. From the Turkish-built Bayraktar drones to the smaller, tube-launched Switchblades, these unmanned aerial vehicles have been part of the reason that Russian tanks seem to keep getting decapitated. Now there's a new drone, dubbed the Phoenix Ghost, and seemingly designed for just the kind of fighting taking place in Ukraine, that is being sent by the United States as part of its latest shipments of arms and equipment. The Ukrainian military will soon begin tracking and attacking Russian forces with a secret new suicide drone, produced by Aevex Aerospace, a little-known Solana Beach, Calif, company that has considerable experience with unmanned aerial systems. Defense analysts say it appears the Phoenix Ghost will loiter in the sky, quietly looking for targets. Once it finds one, the drone goes into a dive and rams the object, setting off its explosive warhead. Analysts speculate that it is a comparatively small weapon that could be hard to see against the cloud cover that shrouds much of Ukraine in late April and in May. Such weapons can be developed quickly because some countries, notably the US, had deep experience with drone technology, and many of these weapons can use off-the-shelf equipment.